And we're back again because I just keep on pressing the finish button. Look at this. Look at this, people. Look at this fireworks. I'm holding them. Look at this. It's so close. It's in my head. I'm now shooting fireworks everywhere. I'm so weird. And my mom is holding me. My mom is holding me.
It's fire in my hands.
Oh, I'm hurting. I'm getting hurt. Wait, where's the drone?
Where?
I think so.
Why is the drone?
Right there.
Oh, yeah?
I thought you're not allowed to have drones.
Over there.
That's cool.
Okay, viewers, are you guys very happy that I'm actually doing this? My mom and my dad are happy.
Radio station.
This is Ivy Leaf's vlog of fireworks.
Because it moved, now it stopped. And it was over there.
Mom, the reason why they're doing it drones because I'm gonna look at the drone. Where's the thingy? It didn't just disappear, Mom. It just camouflaged into the night.
Okay. Like it's just mine. Oh, it's not that hard. It's moving.
Yeah.
I think it's going towards that island.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe it's just a person that's doing it just for fun.
Maybe for security.
Look at these fireworks. Look at these fireworks, guys. This is a victory because I got 3 subscribers for nothing.
Now this guy's coming up.
So yeah, I'm giving another shout out to Cute Squirrels, my friend Emma, because she does very good animation, stuff like that. And she have a heck of pop goes. So yeah. Isn't this amazing? Just to see these fireworks. Oh, that looks like a star. Look at these guys. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to me. Don't forget to subscribe to me, guys. I know you guys. You look at these guys. I think they're trying to redo what they just did. Here, guys, let's start this over because this is everything.
I like those tree colors.
Yet again, guys, I'm gonna be sending this to Mario Casamino. If you wanna know if you guys wanna know my YouTube name, it's Ivy Leaf 39. Yes, again, Ivy Leaf 39. And yeah, look at these fireworks. They're so amazing. I'm bad with whistling. Dad, can you do a whistle for the people that's watching this?
Justin.
Woohoo! So yeah. So